Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Guntur Daransya and I'm from Arts class. The book that I've been reading and reviewing is called Anissa, and the author is John Michelson. And what can I take from that book is we as Indonesian people have a lot of bad habits and bad culture that needs to be changed from ourselves. So I think I'm gonna learn to change to be more disciplined as a person. And my experience learning reading subject with Miss Yola is actually connected to that. Miss Yola teaches us to be more disciplined, to have more manners, and to be more precise in little stuffs that actually needs to be corrected. And we learn how to be more fast in thinking, critical and fast but precise. And we learn how to be a great team in there's a lot of tasks from Miss Yola that includes teamwork and fast-paced environment.
Hi, my name is Gita Safira. The book I read is entitled Going to the Chapel by Ali Sharp. My experience when I reading this book is fun. Reading a book not as boring as I thought and teaches something about someone who lose everything if they present a sense of trauma. And my experience when I learning with Mishola, learning basic reading, I got something that I started to apply because of Mishola. I always apply good manners, starting with reading, think twice before writing something. I also apply the use of capital letters, especially for the word I. Michelle also teaches me about how we must be patient to complete the attending list. Do not answer the message because Michelle is upset to see that. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sari, and in this video, I'd like to review of a book Good Vibes, Good Life, and author is Fax King. I'm getting a good influence on this book, which is importance of loving ourselves and focus on achieving any dreams. And next, I would like to impress you upon this lesson. Ever since I learned basic reading, I understand more how to be a good reader with regard to methods as a reader. And for that, to say to friends, let's love to read books from now on because can make us add more science. And maybe that's all I'm saying, and thank you.
Hello Miss, my name is Bonan Satrutomo and I will explain the impact of the book that I have reviewed a few months ago. The title of the book that I have reviewed is Perseverance and the author is Nancy Taylor. And the book taught me to always continue to fight for the right to the truth and also never give up in my life. And for learning experience in your class is that I have become a person who thinks more critically and respond quickly and also more disciplined. To be honest, from many teachers who have taught me before, you are the only teacher that always encouraged me to pay more attention to small things, and and I'm and I'm happy to be a part of your class. Maybe someday I will miss your class, and I just want to say thank you for everything.
Hello, my name is Vina Damayanti. The book I read called is To Stay with Mori by Mitch Albom. After reading this book, I found a way to make my life meaningful and I want to useful for many people. Many lessons and motivation can be taken from the book, so I recommend for you to read this book. And my learning experience with Miss Yola is really exciting. I got a lot of knowledge about reading skill. Besides that, Miss Yola always teaches discipline and the importance of manner. When Miss Yola give project about reading in English book, I realized that reading in English book very fun and I want to collect more English books. So thank you Miss Yola, you are so inspiring.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Putro Bigel Prabhanil Buchantari. Today, I am going to tell you I read a book titled Sarah Normal, chapter Moment of Truth by Pobe Rivers. And the message that can be taken from the book is we must be careful with people we just meet and do not let people we just know harm us. And then I want to share my learning experience with Michelle. Learning with Michelle was fun, exciting, and make me a little bit nervous because of the good time discipline teach by Michelle makes studying more disciplined. And I want to say thank you, Michelle has teach basic reading material and teach discipline in all things and make me more disciplined.
Hello Miss Yola and everyone. My name is Kiki Aditya. And my learning experience with Miss Yola, I get about being disciplined, on time, and also for myself, I have to focus on whatever it is. Besides that, I was a student gain knowledge about reading or interest in reading, which previously I was not interested at all. So I say thank you so much to Miss Yola. And in my previous assignment, I read a novel entitled Treasure Island by Robert Louis Stevenson. In the novel, what I got after reading it was to be brave and honest under any circumstance.
Hi, my name is Alinda De Augustin. I read Danielle Steele's book, Going Home. From this book, I learned that our heart knows what we want and what we need, and we just need to follow our heart. My learning experience with Miss Yola, I can say that it's totally fun and kind of thrilling. I learned to be a punctual person. I also learned not to depend myself on others way too much. Just trust and give yourself a try. Thank you, Miss Yola, for always correcting our mistakes. You are amazing. Thank you!
My name is Nalurita Bilkis. I read book Imaginary City by Ren Chudari. The novel was very exciting because it tells a story that is very easy to understand, and the story makes us imagine about those places. Even we can feel the story as we experience it. And yeah, that's the advantage of reading books, because every book has different emotions, so it makes sense if the book is called A Window to the World. And my experience learning with Miss Yola was an exciting experience to recount. Since I study with you, there has been a change, although a little, but yeah, it's a good thing, because like having to try to think critically, which is what I am, the type of person who is shy to express my opinion. It's really helped. Then with the feedback, it makes me more able to think about what I received and what I wanted to express. I think that's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, and the Excellency Miss Yola as the Director of Basic Reading. My name is Delia Yumulyati, and I'm going to explain a little about the book which I reviewed. The book is from Oki Madasari and the title is 86. I'm really excited in everything about corruption, and this book tells about corruption and the impact of it for the corruptors. And my learning experiences in basic reading with Miss Yola are that I have to think fast because sometimes Miss Yola gives us sudden tasks and we should do it as soon as possible. And I learned to be more disciplined and careful. That's all from me. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shafira Al-Anissa, and honestly, I don't often read the books until I finally Miss Yola gave us a task to read a book. At the first, I quickly bored, but over time, I felt the effect. Away from phone, better eyesight, and I feel my knowledge has increased. Even after I finishing read the books, The Years of Viceless by Oki Madasari, I bought another book to read. This time, a book about self-development. And I'm happy with what Michelle taught me. Sometimes, she was like my own mother, who gave advice and criticizing us with affectionately, assertive and disciplined. That's her. I also try to understand that what she said was not just to respect her more, but as advice for us, her students, when we're facing the outside world.